In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change payment methods in Stripe easily. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a large enterprise, keeping your payment methods up to date is crucial for smooth transactions. Fortunately, Stripe makes this task straightforward. Let's dive into the details and you'll be on your way in just 5 minutes. First, open your web browser and navigate to Stripe's official website by typing in stripe.com in your address bar. Once you're there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the homepage. You'll see a button labeled Sign In. Click on it to continue. This step takes you to the login page. When you arrive at the login screen, you'll need to enter your registered email address and your password. Ensure that your information is correct. Any entry errors here will prevent you from accessing your account. Once your details are carefully inputted, click the Sign In button. This action will take you into your Stripe dashboard, the control room for all your financial transactions. Upon successful login, you'll land on the home page of your Stripe dashboard. To alter or manage your payment methods, we'll need to navigate to the settings. So look again towards the lower left side of the dashboard and select the Home tab. Once you're there, search for the Settings option. This area is where you can change preferences tied to your Stripe account. After clicking on Settings, a new page will open with various setting categories. Here, you'll need to focus on a section called Product Settings. Under this section, locate and select Payments. This option is crucial for managing how payments are processed and which methods you can use with your customers. Once inside the Payments section, you should now identify the option known as Payment Methods. Clicking this will show you the list of potential payment method options that are available to you on the platform. Now, scroll through these options until you find cards and wallets. These are common methods that many businesses prefer for their transactions due to their convenience and widespread acceptability. Finally, you'll be presented with toggles beside each payment method. This is your control panel for switching payment capabilities on or off. Simply decide which payment methods you wish to enable or disable for your business and adjust the toggles accordingly. It's as simple as that. And there you have it, you've successfully adjusted your payment methods in Stripe. Always remember to regularly check back to ensure the payment options are properly set to accommodate your business's needs. If you encounter any obstacles or have further questions, Stripe's support resources are just a click away to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for updating your payment preferences in Stripe.